In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Bybit account to TradingView, a powerful tool for those involved in trading and chart analysis. TradingView offers a wide range of features that can be extremely beneficial, and being able to connect trading platforms like Bybit directly to this tool can significantly enhance your trading efficiency. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to TradingView's website. Once you've arrived, you should be able to see the main landing page. If you have an account already, go ahead and log in. If not, signing up is quick and easy, and you'll find that having an account allows you access to even more features. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the charts section. This is where all the action happens in TradingView. Now, bring your eyes to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the trading panel. This is a critical feature because it allows you to connect to various brokers and platforms. In the trading panel, you'll see several options. Today, our focus is on Bybit. Scroll through the available options and click on Bybit. This selection will prepare TradingView to establish a connection with your Bybit account, but you're not connected just yet. Next, a button labeled Connect should appear in the trading panel. Go ahead and click this button. Doing so will prompt you to enter your Bybit account credentials. Ensure that your login information is up to date and secure before entering it. It's also a good idea to use two-factor authentication if it's available, ensuring a stronger layer of security for your account. Now, after you've connected successfully, there are a few things you might want to check. Make sure that all the data from your Bybit account is appearing correctly in TradingView. You should be able to see your current balance, open positions, and any other pertinent trading information. This setup allows you to execute trades and monitor market conditions directly from TradingView, harnessing its robust analytical functionality. Connecting Bybit to TradingView allows real-time trading decisions backed by comprehensive charting and analysis tools available within TradingView's platform. This synchronization provides a seamless transition between observing market data and actively participating in trades. There you have it. You've successfully connected Bybit to TradingView. This integration can streamline your trading activities, making it easier to engage with the market smartly. Remember, regular practice and careful monitoring of your trades will enhance your trading skills in the long run. Thank you for watching and happy trading.